Hello and welcome to Humzabaan, your go-to destination for learning Urdu. My name is Tanzeel Rahman, and over the series of our lessons, and also through our Humzabaan app, we have been going through learning the intricacies of Urdu language. We started learning the script by looking at the alphabet, looking at the groupings of alphabet. We have been looking at their shapes. We have been looking at their sounds. We have been looking at the symbols. We have been looking at the words. And then we started forming words, we started looking at numbers. Now we are going and trying to make our vocabulary richer. And at Hamzaban, what we have done in making your vocabulary richer is ensuring that you have all the key elements which is available to understand your vocabulary. So, for example, about all the common elements about us, we have put a section which helps you go through the series of flashcards with the vocabulary. Now, it could be greetings, it is at who we are, it is about our family, it is about our home, it is about our school, right? So, for example, if you look at greetings, we can look at the common greetings like Assalamu alaikum, Wa alaikum assalam. We could look at adab. We could look at asking what we call as khairiyat. So basically, good morning, good evening, subh bakhair, bakhair, and so on and so forth. So you can go through the way it has been designed is through a series of flashcards, which gives you the word, it gives you the sound, it gives you the meaning, it gives you a context through pictures. You can go through each of these flashcards. You can also on the app go and click and go to the dictionary and understand the usage of that word, the related meanings and words, and all of that. And again, if you go through all this section, almost all the keywords that you need in your regular, daily, and ongoing conversations will be available and help you build your vocabulary. Similarly, if you go who we are, it talks about the different context of main, aap, tum, me, you, us, kind of thing. So it again helps you makes your the day to day and everyday vocabulary better. Things about your family, what do we call different family members, what are their Urdu name and pronunciation, Walid, Walda, Behen, Bhai, brother, sister, son, daughter, etc. that you could start looking. Same thing about home, ghar, kamra, darwaza. So all the things that you do and how do you write. Again, it will help you understand the word, help you understand the meaning, help you understand the shapes. Really take your vocabulary to the next level when you start looking at it. Things about your school. So all of this we cover as part of About Us.